Always heart sore to leave the park. But that was it. It was a stunning visit to the Addo Elephant National Park.
It was fantastic.
We have just entered the Nelson Mandela Bay municipal area, eh?
Yes, we just saw the sign on the tar road.
Yeah. And we are heading towards Gamtoos River mouth. It's about, I judge, about 80 kilometers to go.
And you decided to take this gravel road.
I wanted to hit the gravel road. We have to. It's not that long. It's about a 16 kilometer stretch of gravel.
Looks good enough to me.
Yeah, then we'll get to a bit of tar. Then I think it's tar all the way to the Gamtoos River mouth.
Oh, so you grabbed a little bit of gravel that you could get.
Yes.
Yep, okay.
Another train line that hasn't worked in ages.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's all rusted. And look at this road, goes right to Janssenville and left to Uitenhage, Uitenhage. But we're going left.
But not to Uitenhage.
No, not to Uitenhage.
Not this time.
Not this time. And we're off of the gravel onto the tar, and I don't know when we're going to be doing gravel again. I'm so sad.
It is what it is.
Yep.
We would like to see places, and if there aren't gravel roads, then we do tar.
Yeah. But if I can see a gravel road, I'm going to take it.
We all know that. Okay, so it's one of these in the bag vibes again. We each have 2 rave burgers with cheese from Steers, plus their chips.
Yeah, stunning. Looking forward to that. I'm dying of hunger. It's 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten a thing.
Are you enjoying your one-hand burger?
I'm starving and there's no time to sit around and eat, so we drive and eat at the same time. It's a pretty road.
Yeah. So green here.
Massive trees.
Massive.
This is so typical of the Eastern Cape, so green.
Beautiful, eh?
Stunning. We are approaching the N2.
If we have to, okay.
Oh, we have to, unfortunately. Love the fact that I'm off of the N2.
So do I.
We're on our way to the Gamtoos River mouth.
Yes, there's a 20-ton mass limit on the Gamtoos River Bridge. I think we'll just make it.
Wow. Traveling along next to the N2 and not on the N2, that's much better.
So much better.
This is so thick, this bush.
And so green.
Wow.
So may I ask what we hope to see at the Gamtoos River?
Yes, I hope to see the Gamtoos River mouth. I hear it's very pretty. So I just want to go, I read up that it's very pretty. So I just like to go and see what's happening there.
Well, if this is any indication, I'm sure it is.
Gamtoos Mouth, Gamtoos River mouth.
10 kilos to go. Oh, I thought we would descend. Now we're going up.
Up again.
Now, I'm not very familiar with the Eastern Cape, but you're much more familiar, and you've often told me about how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
So I first glimpse of the coastal side,
it's beautiful.
which you're very familiar with.
No, the Eastern Cape is amazing. Natural beauty is like crazy.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Look at the dunes.
Yeah. Gamtoos Mouth Resort. Wow.
Oh, is this the river?
Yeah. That is fantastic. Look at these dunes, are exceptional, eh?
And for such a long stretch, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that bird drying its wings.
This is the caravan park.
Kucha local municipality. Speaking of Kucha, this river is formed by the confluence of the Kucha and Groot rivers.
Really?
Did you know that?
I think I remember something like that. But what I remember is that it's 645 kilometers long. And that's the distance from Strand to here.
It's true. It's true. The river is as long as it is from here to home.
Yeah.
And that's all I know about the Gamtoos River.
Unbelievable. This is just surrounded by sand dunes.
Incredible.
Look at this. Look in the distance, there's just sand dunes. And it's clear white sand dunes.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, look at the seagull.
Yeah. The wind's blowing, but this is fantastic. Gamtoos River mouth.
Unbelievable.
Can't believe the amount of sand.
So, is this fresh water? This must be fresh water.
Well, it's possible, you know, it's difficult to say because when it could be the seawater coming back in when it's high tide or fresh water washing out.
It's incredible. The sand is something else, eh?
Crazy.
Looks like there could be a lot of birds here. And
There must
people
be bird
fish
life.
and
Yeah.
throw nets out.
I saw the one guy throwing a net out now
Yeah.
as we came in. That's interesting, eh?
Not that I know what's on the list
Got no clue.
or what it even means.
I'm not a fisherman.
But I think I know what a prawn pump looks like.
Yes, we've seen them on the beach in Strand.
Yeah.
Some pretty houses here, like wooden log houses.
Yeah, I love that, eh?
Look how this goes in there.
Lomiki Cafe. Some of the areas are closed off. We can't go in. It's private property.
Private, yes. Grunter's Gate. Can't go in.
Yeah, no, you can't. Look at this big log house.
Wow. How's this old one here? Wow, it's got character.
Oh yes, look at the ivy.
And it looks like it's made of corrugated iron.
Very nice.
Wow, it's so overgrown. It must be here for years already.
Such cool places.
Really, truly.
They must have a stunning view, hey?
Wow. Look how stunning this estuary is. So much life here at these estuaries. Check out that place at the top there. Their views must be spectacular. Yeah, residents only.
Understandably, they're fiercely protective of their privacy, hey?
Yeah, I get that, 100%.
Yep, absolutely.
We're trying to investigate a little gravel road we found just outside of the Gamtoos Mouth Resort.
Lots of aloes here, did you see?
I think this road is going to take us all the way up next to the Gamtoos River.
Okay, I'm keen, let's see. I hope we can get close to the river.
I really hope so. It looks like it according to the map.
Because here...
This is all pastures.
Yes. So the river wound probably away from
But I think this road looks as if it goes through underneath the N2.
Oh, okay.
And then it turns left, takes a left towards the river.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, this place is beautiful.
So wild, eh?
Crazy.
Isn't it?
Insane. So lush. This is where we go through underneath the N2.
Okay.
It's a busy road this, eh?
It is.
Some
bridge for a pipeline.
Pipeline, yeah.
Got a fancy bridge, eh?
Whoa. That's the N2 going over the Gamtoos River over there. And we're on the gravel road next to it. It's like insane. Wow. The river, river.
There's the river coming into view again.
Yes.
Vegetation is so dense.
Yeah, you don't even know you're
Like,
next to the river.
You have to spot a little bit of the river. Yeah, you can see it's a big river, hey?
Massive.
Hard to believe. There's a little tugboat.
Yeah, it's a fisherman's boat.
It looks like a teeny tugboat.
Yeah.
Hard to believe it's like over 600 kilometers long.
It's
That
ridiculous.
blows my mind.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway.
Wow.
Full view.
Stunning, eh? Awesome.
Beautiful.
And look at that beautiful bridge we're going to go over. The old bridge and then the new bridge behind us.
So amazing. Oh, here's the river and all its glory.
Look at that.
Knew it. Somehow we have to find it.
Fantastic, eh? Right on the edge of the river here.
Look at these rocks.
Crazy. Check out some of these come tumbling down.
Yeah, it's a wide river.
I don't know what to record, the rock formations or the river.
I know.
So I've got to do what.
I know. But we so often have that dilemma.
And there's your, what trees are those? Those are aloes. Wow.
I think those are aloes.
Yeah.
Will you just do me a favor and record these rock formations?
Okay, it's stunning though.
Because this is incredible.
It's like a sandstone type of thing.
Do you think?
Yeah, it looks like a sandstone.
Like more porous?
Yes, definitely.
Just careful, there's a big ditch down here.
Yeah. This is awesome though.
I've never seen rock formations looking quite like that, with that colour.
Yeah, it's like a sandstone.
Sandy colour, yeah.
And we're going to go over this bridge. Looks like it.
That's a bonus.
Gamtoos River Bridge.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay, let's see. It's a steel-girded bridge.
Is it out
Single lane. It's our turn. Wow.
This is super cool.
Look at this.
Yeah, I love it.
Fantastic.
I love it.
It reminds me of the bridge I didn't want to go over at State Level, you remember?
Oh, the Lady Grey Bridge.
Yes. Beautiful. What a fitting way to end the episode of
Gamtoos River.
River.